This video is sponsored by Value Testers, where all prices are negotiable. Best online store for Fieldpiece, Bacharach, and tester equipment. Special free 2-day shipping available on selected seasonal products. Link in description below. Morning, guys. It's May 7th, 2019. This one here, I gotta go reestablish a house that was winterized. Turn the water back on. So I did this one in a couple of times. Not that big over there. We're gonna put the meter back in together and meet the water department there. Turn the water back on from the street and bleed all the air out of the lines, type of thing. So anyway, we try to get you some shots when I get there. Looks like they put a new meter down here. Let me see if I get you. It's gonna go in. It's got an arrow on it. The arrow. It comes with gaskets. You gotta make sure you put it in the right way with the arrow. Years ago, they used to have leather washers, and them things were terrible. Just turn this on. Arrow. Should be ready to rock and roll now. With our water off here, so we can turn our water on. Then we'll go around and shut everything off and fill it. Yeah, it should be safe.
What's going on?
Yeah, same old stuff. I mean, well, the thing's really deep, huh? Was it buried again?
Yeah, I just got the nut out of it. The nut was up. The whole thing came out.
Oh, it did?
Yeah.
Hopefully we get it.
I think it's on. Those meters aren't reading. For real.
They're not reading?
Well,
They're not reading, yeah, because there's no water on.
because there's nobody there. So we actually had to come check them.
Can't make this shit up, huh?
No, I mean, it's just bullshit.
Alright, yeah, it's on. I'm just gonna go shut everything off upstairs,
Yeah,
but
Mike did that one. Okay.
do you want to put the little wrap? I wouldn't put the wraps because every year we take it apart, right?
Nah, I'm not gonna worry about it.
Yeah. Just make sure everything's off. I can leave the toilet on. And just shut everything off and I'll make sure there's no leaks. Fill the water tank up first thing, right? I always take them off because it's usually an issue. Unless I just bled this out. I didn't take that off, did I? I don't think so. No, I just left that in there. Should be fine. First thing we'll do is turn the water on, fill up the water tank, get the air out. Don't go around bleeding everything. Make sure sure these are off the outside shower. I'll have to shut that off too. I'll have to check on that. That's probably open outside. First thing that's going to fill up is this tank. Cricket. Cave cricket. I call them cave crickets. They're all over the place down here. Yeah, she's a leaker. She's a leaker. How do we get in here? I gotta put the plug back in the bottom there. I don't know where that is. There it is. I have to get a little Fritz and put the little Fritz on there. A little dope, mama. A little dope on there. Hello, Miss Molly. You a cutie pie. Yeah, you are. Daddy's girl. Yeah, you're daddy's girl. It's always good to take that out in the winter, drain it, so it drains good, right? There was gonna be water running out here because I had it on in the basement. I gotta get rid of all the air out of the water tank, so we'll probably put it on hot and just run it. Get rid of all the air from the water tank before we turn it on, right? That's a new valve I put in last year, I think. Changed that. A little rough there on that. Oh, shit sits all winter, you know, I don't know. A lot of pressure here. Woohoo! Yeehaw! This thing's been shut off all winter, so you gotta let it go a little bit. I'm gonna have to come back and play around with the washers or something. It wouldn't surprise me. I got a dishwasher. We should be ready to go. Throw that in the cycle too. the toilets aren't leaking before I go. Before we leave, we'll turn the hot water tank on in the garage, right? Electric water heater. We'll be good to go. Here's a crusty one. Big difference in cleaning it out. Oh my God, he grabbed it with the pliers. I can't believe it. Gonna get old bum hurt. Gonna get old bum hurt. Whoa, just spitting like a camel. This is spitting like Nancy Pelosi. All I gotta do now is just check, make sure that there are no leaks in the ceiling, which there's none. See no water leaks. This is fine. Just gonna put the cover back on this thing. I always put the cover in a safe place, like on a bed or something, you know. Put the covers on a safe place so they don't get broken. Oh, that's dripping. Something's leaking. Something's dripping. Might have been pissing out the tank or something. Zoleka! I'll flush it again, see what happens. Probably might have been pissing out the tank when it was filling. Without the cover on it. Well, wow, she's running right out of there. It's leaking right down around here. Not good. Maybe I gotta tighten these bolts up or something on the tank, or the gasket's gone. It's leaking right around there. I'll have to address that. It sounds to me like the gasket between the tank's bad. The tank is tight. The tank's not loose. I think it's the gasket between the tank and the bowl that's an issue. I got it off here, so we got one flush. See it? It's leaking right here. See the water? It's coming from that. It's coming from that, the gasket, so I gotta pull it. Like I said, I got my container there, so next size up. They're just 1/4 inch Craftsman deep sockets. And just use the Craftsman. Pop it on this. I got all like 9/16 down. All the different sizes for 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch drive. I use them. It seemed that might have been a little loose. Let me try tightening it first and we'll try it again. Try the other side. Yeah, it might just be a little on the loose side. We'll try that. We'll try that first and see if that takes care of it. She seemed a little loose. Toilet's okay now. Don't see it leaking anymore. That was an easy one. I just turn on the hot water. Yeah, all the 220s are gonna go back on. So I bet you that dishwasher was off one of the legs of the 220 because I don't got no 110 off. Betcha. I betcha. Had the power off there. It's working now. Just dumping. Just want to make sure it don't leak. Just kind of rinsing it, you know. Seems okay. Alright, so I don't see any leaks there. We're good there. I don't know if you can see the ocean, but the ocean's right there. It's not that far.